You've been staring at that dress for ages. Just pick one already.
I know, but I can't make up my mind. The blue one looks classy, but the red one really catches my eye.
You're always so picky. We've been going back and forth between these two for the last 20 minutes. Time's ticking, Sarah.
I just don't want to regret it later. Maybe I should just get both.
You'll end up returning one anyway. You know how you are. Always second-guessing your decisions.
You got a point. Okay, I'll go with the blue one. Let's hope I don't change my mind later.
I knew we'd end up here. Didn't see that coming at all.
I just can't help it. The dress looked great in the store, but now I'm not so sure. It's not really my cup of tea. I think I'll exchange it for the red one. Hi, I bought this dress yesterday, but I'd like to exchange it for the red one instead.
No problem at all. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yep, here it is. I'm sorry for being so indecisive. I just keep going back and forth on which one I like more.
That's totally fine. Happens all the time. Let's get that sorted out for you. Would you like to try on the red one before you decide?
Good idea. I'll give it another try just to be on the safe side. This one's perfect. I should have gone with it in the first place. Lesson learned, trust my first instinct.
Fingers crossed, you don't change your mind again. I'm not coming back here for a third round.
You're all set? I hope this one's a keeper.
Thanks a bunch. I promise, this time I'm sticking to my guns.